So our first jump was 5.8. Let's see what we get with this one. While we're waiting, James and Rebel are back up on the dock. So way to go, Abby, with an 8.5.
16.6. Babe.
Hey, Sandy.
Personal
Sandy,
best.
Can you fix the banner right at 15?
Hey, Boudreaux, get the exercise in. That's a full-time job.
That's good. No. Come on.
16.5 for Rebel. 16.5. I don't have his first jump, but that was a great second jump.